Hi, right? Hope I am live. Of course, all the very best to all the foundation students of CMA fraternity. Tomorrow you are having the re-examination. That is, those students who had glitches. By any chance, if any student has found that we have submitted successfully completed, they need not worry because you have already taken up with the examination department. You have got the reply also. It is less than 50 students who got the Kunal is asking, how are you, sir? I am very fine. It is not a question of I am very fine. I am fine, that is why I am here, right? So those foundation students, less than 50 numbers, who have submitted very clearly, examination department has clarified very clearly, directly, when they had raised through email or through SMS or this thing, they need not write the examination again, right? That is number one. Number two is, this is to help those students. See, 11,500 plus students have applied for foundation course examination. 10,232 students have actually appeared. Out of that, less than 500 only had the technical glitches. However, this institute, the elected representatives, decided that why not we give chance for one more chance, because online examination, na? Like we did it in September, we have given the chance. Those who have submitted properly, they need not again write this foundation re-examination, which is going to be held tomorrow, 14th December 2020. So that doubt is clear, right? It is home-based examination only. So wish all the very best to those students who are going to appear for the forthcoming examination. The second thing which is going on in the social media, that is called WhatsApp, Telegram, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, everywhere. We are not here to create any confusion. We very clearly told, and as per your demand, only we postponed the examination of intermediate and final. Not only as per your demand, also because there were elections in some state called Kerala, also because some students told that we want extension because of containment zone, 144, curfew, this thing, that thing. Institute took a favorable decision because for the student fraternity. So from December it is postponed to January, right? So the next question is mock test, when we will get. First of all, understand, mock test is prepared by studies department, whereas what you are asking is model examination. Step to success is what the name I have given, I have suggested. S2S, step, step सीढ़ियाँ होता है ना, step to success. That is what we thought that we will give you. Rest assured, for the intermediate and final student, as already told in the month of October or this thing earlier or in November, your examination is already postponed na. So why you are so impatient telling that सर मॉडल एग्जाम अभी तक नहीं मिला, मॉक टेस्ट अभी तक नहीं मिला? अरे यार, एग्जाम तो पोस्ट हो चुका है, ठीक है? सो you are getting suitable step to success examination almost as a replica of what you will have in January. You will have soon. This week in examination department is almost finalizing, so that you feel the actual this thing of the examination, like a examination atmosphere, right? So you will get it soon. Maybe on 16th, 17th or 18th. Have some patience, na? Yes, I can understand some of the followers of mine who are writing in Twitter, Instagram, WhatsApp, everywhere. Sir, ye kahiye, wo kahiye. Those are all Confucius statements. And some students countered that they are CA student. Yes, he or she has already completed CA. There are some people who are confusing the student. No elected representative is here for confusing the students. We are with the student fraternity. And one more thing I am telling you very clearly, I am not a leader. I am not a leader. I am your representative. Though eligible members who can cast vote to select Pappanbai, your Pappanbai, they have cast vote. But I am representative of the members, student fraternity, and those who are not members also, but CME family members. CME family members जो भी है, मैं उनका representative हूँ, मैं leader नहीं हूँ. मगर मैं एक बात साफ साफ बोलना चाहता हूँ. I want to make it very very clear. I have told already, I am not a leader, I am a representative, I am your voice. That's all. So please wait for that step to success. Model examination, always people use that terminology, whatever it is. Please wait for some more days. Examination is already postponed to January. So what is there? I have suggested that why don't we give for each paper minimum 2 model examinations, step to success. At least we will have one, all the 16 papers. So rest assured, institute is with you. Whatever grievances or whatever the things. See, did we not help the foundation student? Did we conduct only one examination, said goodbye? Nahi na. We have understood the difficulties of some students who really try to attempt, but they could not this thing. Yes, some of the students are asking foundation result when it will come, sir. Are foundation students for us all are equal, right? One examination has happened wherein some of your own, my own student friends who appeared for the foundation examination, they have some technical glitches or some reason, but the institute is magnanimous in giving all the students one more chance who could not properly appear for that examination or had some technical glitches or for some other reason could not submit properly. Did we not give the chance? So let that examination be over tomorrow. Na? Together we will bring the result, right? So wait for, see, online examination means results we can declare at the earliest, but it does not mean that that examination process should be over. Na? One batch it is over. We are giving one more chance for those students who really had some this thing. So let them also finish the examination successfully tomorrow, 14th December 2020. Then definitely we will publish the results at the earliest, so that the passed out students will get a chance to apply for intermediate of the CMA Institute and study well, become eligible and write the June 2021 examination. ऐसा नहीं है कि पहले हो चुका है सर उसका तो रिजल्ट दे दो, ऐसा नहीं होगा. Okay. Expected date, some friends are asking, see, expected date I cannot tell. Na? Tomorrow also I want to see that one more chance which we have given, we should give them this thing. अरे आप लोग टक 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 मैसेज भेज रहे हैं, मेरे को इतना नहीं आता है ना, वो पढ़े, वो नेक्स्ट स्क्रीन आता है. So please, you have performed very well in the examination. You are hopeful that you will become successful. Please wait for some more. Let tomorrow examination be over. Similarly, intermediate final students, some other questions came. Sir, what about the admit card? What about the center based? What about the home based? We have given this, we have given that. Please do not worry. The answer is very simple. The admit card, when you will receive for the January 2021 examination intermediate final, it will show what you have chosen, home based, center based, or change of center, opt out with one group, or 2 groups or whatever it is, it will come. Okay. Yes, our friend has written, please don't postpone. See, postpone आप लोगों ने मांगा था इसीलिए दिया था. बार बार postpone करने के लिए हम नहीं आते हैं. We also want to finish this episode and see that you are doing it very well, this thing, right? Don't worry about the center or place or this thing what you have chosen. We are here to help you. Okay. Acha, one student latest is asking how it will be for the final, how it will be for the student. That is what I am telling you. Please wait for, see, don't confuse yourself within mock test and model examination. Mock test is prepared with some, this thing to give you a feeling of test by the studies department. Whereas model examination, step to success is going to be brought by the examination department. That model examination, you please go through that and prepare very well. Okay. You should worry about your January 2021 examination. Why people are worried about June 2021 examination? Arey, wo baad mein na, whatever decision we want to take, we will take later, right? So I am going to conclude my live video. This is the first time I have come live because I don't know how to do this. I was asking everybody, please help me how to come live and all. Today somehow I, वो क्या बोलता है, somebody taught me how to come. So I have pressed go live. Then it was asking 8:45, then 8:50. I don't know. I pressed something. It is not for kids. Like that they told. I pressed okay, it is not for kids. Though you are all my children, but still I told not for kids because you are going to be my future. Shall I tell you? If at all we are going to have students meet, I really love to have a students meet. Even if nobody is going to conduct, at my own cost, I want to conduct a students meet. In that, I want to tell only one thing very clearly. Pappan Bhai is not your leader. Pappan Bhai is your voice. Pappan Bhai is your representative. And I always want everyone to follow this slogan. Today's students, tomorrow's executive. 3 बार बोलेंगे. Today's students, tomorrow's executive. 3 बार बोलेंगे. Today's leader, today's student, tomorrow's leader. That is today's student, tomorrow's executive. Today's student, tomorrow's leader. And today's students, tomorrow's future. ये स्लोगन मैं बार बार देना चाहता हूँ. ये बार बार again and again I want to tell this in this thing where we all thousands and thousands and thousands of students together with your Pappan Bhai will give this slogan. Today's students, tomorrow's executive. Today's students, tomorrow's leader. ये नहीं है कि today you are not leader. I am telling the leader, the global leader. I am telling, right? So be a proud CMA. Always in the morning get up and see the mirror and tell that I am a student, I will become a CMA. I am a student, I will become a CMA. I am a student, I will become a CMA. Okay. So I am going, because I can't read all the questions which you all are sending because of my own this thing. But however still, I am assuring you, I can come again live. And any elected representative of the institute, be it in the council, regional council, chapter or wherever it is, your teachers, gurus, everybody are with the students only. So do not worry, we are with you. Yes, break the chain, but not the relationship. Break the chain, but not the relationship. This is how I want to conclude this session. Okay. And rest assured, model examination. Please understand the difference between mock test and model examination. That step to success, this thing will come this week. And please practice that. And your age is for enjoyment. Please enjoy. Again and again I am telling. Enjoy. that enjoyment, part of that, enjoy studying also, right? So with this, I am concluding right now for the time being, and I don't know how to, let me try how to conclude this live session. I think other, and one more thing I request you, they said Twitter is for tweet, to tweet. It is not for argument or fight amongst us. There are some people, they are not telling their identity, and some other students are telling he or she is not CMA students, or don't reply. Don't put me in embarrassment. Twitter is for tweet, not for argument or chat or this thing. If you want to personally convince me or any other elected representative, not leader, I don't want to be called as a leader. I am a representative, your voice. So, me or any other person you want this thing, don't put an embarrassment to the institute. Personally you chat, debate, argue, deliberate, either convince the other party or convince yourself. This is my humble request, okay? So I am going to conclude this live session, break the chain but not the relationship. Please be with your Papan Bhai, and I also would like to be with you. Today's student, tomorrow's executive. Today's student, tomorrow's leader. Today's student, tomorrow's global leader. Because in the entire globe, if you see the youth, youth means you youngsters, not your Papan Bhai. You youngsters, one among the 5 youth in the entire world is an Indian. An Indian can rule this globe, the entire world, with the blessings of Almighty. Right? So you are the future, and Papan Bhai, whether I am alive or not, I will be happy from the heaven or hell or whatever they call. I don't believe, because wherever we are, this is the present. We are in the heaven and hell. We decided. I will be very happy to see you as a global leaders. Okay. So wish you all the best. So break the chain but not the relationship. मैं थोड़ा ये लाइव दिस थिंग करना चाहता हूँ, हाँ ठीक है. मैं ऑलरेडी हेवन में हूँ. जब मैं आपके साथ हूँ, आई एम ऑलरेडी इन हेवन. ओके, डोंट थिंक दैट आई विल हैव टू डाई एंड गो टू हेवन. आई एम ऑलरेडी इन हेवन. When I am with you people, I am already in the heaven only. So we all, this thing is, I want you, this thing, today's student, tomorrow's leader. Today's student, tomorrow's executive. Today's student, tomorrow's global leader. ये स्लोगन हम बार बार लेके आएंगे और हम बोलेंगे कि हम CMA is the best in the world. Okay, break the chain but not the relationship. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Let me see how to end this live session. मेरे को पता नहीं, देखता हूँ. Are you sure that you want to stop that streaming? अभी पूछता है. ठीक है, मैं ओके डाल दूंगा. So I am with you, we are with you, you are with me, we all are together. Okay. I am a student, I will be a proud CMA. I will be a proud CMA, I will be a proud CMA. ये हमारा स्लोगन होना चाहिए. ठीक है. बाकी जो भी है वो क्वालिफिकेशन एक्स्ट्रा ले लेना. ठीक है. ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट. थैंक यू, थैंक यू, बाय बाय. लाइक, ठीक है. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. May Almighty bless you abundantly with good health and happiness. Please maintain social distance and also understand and respect the directions of government, police authority, health department, everybody. Okay. So don't worry. Enjoy your time. That enjoyment, please study also. Okay. You will come out successful. Papan Bhai sabka.